For several years, the number of persons migrating from West Africa to other African countries as well as Europe has doubled. According to a 2020 UN data, 5 out of 8 migrants stay within the region, while many more move beyond Africa in search of better economic prospects and job opportunities. Sadly, their desperate efforts are oftentimes exploited and their rights abused.
And in NAPTIP, what we try to do is to scale up our sensitization, public enlightenment, and let people know the tell signs of when they are being trafficked. Because there are so many young people who are trapped in East African countries, in North African countries, that that got trafficked without even knowing that they were being trafficked.
Vile stories on international media concerning migrant slavery, as well as mistreatment of young African domestic helps in some Gulf states, call for a reflection on appropriate actions to be taken.
UN member states in 2018 adopted the Global Compact for Safe and Orderly Migration to address the challenges associated with migration.
The Global Compact for Migration, GCM, adopted by a majority of member states of the United Nations, offers the prospect for improving migration governance and addressing the challenges that confront migration, while reinforcing the contribution of migrants and migration to sustainable development.
I strongly believe that the ECOWAS community has the capacity to implement and operationalize the GCM. Therefore, we do call on our member states, with the support from our development partners, to address drivers of migration by intensifying efforts to eradicate poverty, create jobs, and foster good governance.
The Economic Community of West African States and the UN's International Organization for Migration are meeting in the Nigerian capital Abuja to review regional policies to curtail migration and protect migrants' rights.
A well-managed migration is widely perceived as an engine of economic growth, innovation, and sustainable development. Let us brace ourselves and inspire ourselves for discussions and contributions.
This meeting is to further assess the process and the progress of implementation by further developing a global framework for international migration to protect the human rights of international migrants.
Nigeria, through the National Agency for the Prohibition of Trafficking in Persons, is also working with other countries to arrest human traffickers as well as help process the repatriation of trafficked Nigerians. Georgina Ndukwe-Ezeanyika, Arise News.